Good morning students. Welcome in pharmacognosy practical. Today I will start the remaining part of experiment number 5. And experiment is to study the morphological and microscopical characteristics of the cinnamon bark. In previous practical we have studied the prior concept, then new concept, learning objective, requirement, and diagram. New concept in that proposition first, proposition second and proposition third. For in that morphological characters, microscopical characters and adulterants. In learning objective, intellectual skill and motor skills. And then these are the bark of the cinnamon bark and these are the plant of the cinnamon bark. In previous practical we have studied up to the pericyclic fiber. First, synonym of cinnamon bark. Synonym of cinnamon bark is kalmi dalchini. And biological source is it consists of the dried inner bark of these shoots of copied trees of the Cinnamomum xylonicum nis, and it contains not less than 1% of the volatile oil, 1% of weight by volume of volatile oil, belonging to the family Luraceae. Cinnamon bark family is Luraceae. Then in microscopy, organoleptic characters, in that color, odor, extra feature, then taste and fracture. Color of this cinnamon bark is outer surface dull yellowish brown and inner surface darker in color. Odor is the fragrant and taste is warm, sweet and aromatic. Then extra features, bark is a free of cork and single or double. Then closely packed compound squill and fracture is splintery. Then macroscopy. In macroscopy we have studied previous practical up to the pericyclic fiber. These are the TS of cinnamon bark. In previous practical we have studied up to the pericyclic fiber. These are the pericyclic fiber. Then scleroids. These are the scleroids. These are the 3 to 4 layer of the pitted scleroids, thickened lignified wall and isodiametric, slightly elongated tangentially, that is U-shaped thickening and with starch grains. Then secondary phloem. These are the secondary phloem. Parenchymatous, in that few cells contains the acicular calcium oxalate crystal and starch grain and diameter up to the 10 micro. Then medullary rays. These are the medullary rays. Biseriate, then narrow at inner side, wide in the scleroid and side, and contains starch and acular raphides. Then phloem fiber. These are the phloem fiber. In these phloem fibers are single, isolated, circular, lignified with stratification, being about 12 to 22 to 35 micro 35 micro wide and 200 to 500 to 600 micro long. Then oil cells. These are the oil cells. These are the big, isolated, and cork and cortex are absent. Oil cells are the big and isolated, and in that cork and cortex are absent. These are all about the TS of cinnamon bark. Then chemical constituents of cinnamon bark, in that volatile oil, that is 0.5 to 1%. Then cinnamic aldehyde, in that 55 to 65%. Then eugenol 4 to 10%. Then terpenes, mucilage, starch and calcium oxalate. Then tannins. Then uses of the cinnamon bark, it is used for the carminative, flavoring agent, then mild astringent and powerful germicides. Then allied drugs, that is first is cassia bark of Chinese cinnamon, second is the wild or jungle cinnamon, third Java cinnamon, fourth is the Saigon cinnamon and fifth is the Oliver bark, that is the allied drugs. Then Marketed preparation. Cinnamon is an ingredients of compounds cardamom tinctures, IFE. Okay. Then procedure. Firstly, clean the platform and issue the apparatus and issue the sample of crude drugs. And preparation of sample for sectioning. Then preparation of the sample for sectioning. Firstly, boiling of the sample, then section cutting, transfer the section into a watch glass containing water. Then if crude drug is too hard or is any case where subject hard, these tears bark will be before the practical varied content cases. Okay. Then staining procedure. Take a clean watch glass and add a staining solution to it. Then with the help of brush, transfer the section take from watch glass containing water. Then to stain solution and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer it to the watch glass containing plain water so that excess stain is washed away. This section ready for mounting. Then mounting procedure, in that transfer that section to be mounted on the glass sides with the help of brush. Then add 1 to 2 drops of the water on the section with the dropper. Then place the clean cover slip over the section with the help of forceps and needles. Then with the help of blotting paper, wipe out excess of the water present outside the cover slip. The slide is ready for the observation. Then observation. In observation, select a place in the laboratory for microscope where sufficient light is available. Set the microscope in such a way that the CM towards to you and the objective and mirror facing the light. Then open the diaphragm completely with the help of substage mirror. Then adjust the position so that the field of view is sufficiently illuminated. Then place the slide prepared on the stage of microscope at the center with the help of section placed exactly in line with the stage window lying above the condenser. Then fix the slide between the clips. Now the slides can be moved forward, backward or sideways above the stage with the help of 2 screws provided on the mechanical stage. Then take observation. In staining, first TS with a fluoroglycerol with and concentrated HCl, and ratio is the 1:1, and it shows the pink color and lignified cells, that is pericyclic fiber stone cells and cork cells. Okay. Then second TS with iodine and it shows the blue color and present the starch. Then TS with acetic acid and that is insoluble and present the calcium oxalate crystal. Then TS with a dilute HCl and it shows these are the soluble and these are the calcium oxalate crystal. Then last is observation table. First is observation table for the microscopy and second is observation table for staining. In first table, test and observation. First, color, odor, taste and fracture and extra features. In our observation, in second observation table, taste observation and inference. Then after this practical, write down your conclusion. Okay. Then and here are the important question related to this practical, and after watching this video you all students are able to answer this question. Okay, now I will stop here, and next experiment we have seen in next practical. Okay, thank you.